I'm here on US 27 facing northbound, just south of South Bay, and I see a new grade crossing with track laid across 27. This is brand new. Haven't been down this road in a few months. It looks like they're going to run some new track here. This is north. This is east. Let's see if I can zoom in. Maybe a spur running somewhere? This is south. And this is west. Looks like I got the roadbed in place and everything. Looks like I'm going to be laying some track here soon. I wonder what this will be for. FEC? Or US Sugar? I don't know. Got some ballast here. No signals installed yet. No electrical installed. They got transformers there. That's eastbound. Wonder where this is going to. Maybe someone knows on this group what they're planning here, because this is going way as far as I could see here. I got it zoomed in. Either FEC or US Sugar. Well, there'll be some train activity on this someday soon. Enjoy.